Welcome back to Epic Mach. In today's adrenaline-filled episode, we'll showcase 12 of the most amazing heavy machinery on planet Earth. From the world's largest dump truck heavier than a 737 to tunnel boring machines, these amazing machines boast incredible features and capabilities unlike any you've seen before. We'll reveal 12 heavy machinery that are sure to leave you in awe. Buckle in for this wild ride. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe so that you never miss an Epic Mach video. 1. Hitachi EX8000-7. The EX8000-7 from Hitachi earns its stripes as a champion of open-pit mining. Gliding through work sites nearly light as air despite an obese operating weight, its elegant excavator arm greedily gulps down debris with 800-plus horsepower. This digger moves mountains, transferring 100-ton loads with each pass of its rugged 52-cubic-meter shovel. The EX8000-7 makes rivals look like toys, bulldozing through stubborn terrain to expose precious commodities for mines worldwide. When gargantuan earth-moving jobs demand a structure-sized machine, Hitachi's hydraulic hero heeds the call at record-setting size and strength. It uses satellite positioning to enhance digging accuracy. The counterweight incorporates sound installation. 2. Caterpillar 797F. This gargantuan hunk of metal is any heavy equipment lover's fantasy come true. At 400 freaking tons payload capacity, the CAT 797F dump truck leaves all other trucks in the dust. This mega machine must actually be assembled on-site since no road dares transport its utter enormity. Under the hood, it packs enough fuel-injected horsepower to rival a Boeing 747. When staring down its dump bed, you'll swear you're at the Grand Canyon. This truck eats obstacles for breakfast and returns 20-plus ton efficiency even while boasting lower emissions. If you crave a Leviathan to rule your work sites, the CAT 797F delivers. Its radiator includes a grill to catch rock and debris, preventing damage. Suspension seats isolate operators from vibrations and impacts. 3. Bagger 293. Recognized by Guinness as the heaviest land vehicle in existence, Germany's Bagger 293 bucket wheel excavator scrapes the sky at taller than the Statue of Liberty. Spanning 5 football fields in length, it swallows coal and spits out prosperous mining operations worldwide with its ominous presence. Peering into its abyss-like depths, even mere mortals feel like gods gazing into infinity from atop Mount Olympus. This excavator's bucket wheel slices through stubborn terrain like warm butter. Meaner than an angry volcano eruption, the Bagger 293 stands ready to chop mountains into bite-sized pieces. Its height allows direct loading into awaiting mine rail transport cars underneath. Self-lubricating bearings reduce maintenance requirements. 4. Belaz 75710. When this behemoth from Belarus rolls your way, heads turn at its outrageous proportions. Belaz 75710 reigns as the undisputed czar of trucks, with the world's largest hauling capacity of 450 metric tons. That's 15 adult blue whales piled into one mega machine. Approaching 3 school buses long and towering 3 stories high, it boggles the mind how all that rubber meets the road. Yet with diesel coursing through its veins, the 75710 makes light work transporting more mine contents than an entire locomotive fleets. This Russian mining rig leaves competitors for dead. Dual tires at the rear distribute insane loads. The front suspension pivots for maneuverability. 5. Komatsu D575A-3SD. No obstacle dares obstruct the D575A-3SD, the alpha dog ruling all other bulldozers on Earth. This Leviathan, Steel Blade, and Ripper are fearful enough to make mountains run away screaming. Every scrape of its yard scrapes up 90 cubic meters of soil and rock as it muscles through stubborn terrain. Smooth power humming from its 850 horses enables nimble control even when earth-moving on Mozilla scales during mega projects. When standard equipment just can't cut the mustard, the Komatsu D575A-3SD supervisor arrives to swiftly kick the situation into shape and reshape the landscape. No job too big, no ditch too deep for this massive machine. It features attachments like brush rakes for land clearing applications, centralized lube banks, simplify maintenance. 6. Liebherr LTM 11200-9.1. Scraping cloud sweeps, this crane-potent presence empowers engineers to push skyscraper construction boundaries. The Liebherr LTM 11200-9.1 operated levers make even average Joes feel like Olympian gods. Just one button press to unfold its tucked-in 100-meter boom for rapid setup. Its telescoping titanium arm hoists the whole city block worth of steel, effortlessly stacking concrete like Legos. Attached to ballast trailer counterbalances enable rivaling Walt Disney World spaceship earth-lifting capacity at a staggering 1,200 tons. Guinness-endorsed bragging rights crown the LTM 11200-9.1 as the current champ. When this mobile crane arrives, records get shattered. The crane features an attachment for wind turbine assembly and installation. Its boom incorporates a luffing jib for angled heavy lifts. 7. TBM Tunnel Boring Machine. Epitomizing human engineering ingenuity, the tunnel boring machine carves passages for modern infrastructure wonders through stubborn substrata. TBM circular maul, lined with obliterating picks, revolves relentlessly through aggregated earth layers. Hydraulics and mechanics synchronize perfectly for non-stop drilling operations till breakthrough. Guidance systems steer with pinpoint accuracy while conveyors remove shattered debris. Each unique multi-million-dollar TBM gets custom crafted for specific geology and project scope, from delicate underground metro to burly multi-lane highways. The tunnel boring machine unlocks the subterranean dimension's potential so our civilizations can thrive. Cutting heads feature replaceable abrasion-resistant picks. Precise laser guidance controls depth and alignment. 8. Letourneau L-2350. In the domain of high-capacity loaders, the Letourneau L-2350 stands atop the podium, grinning as it effortlessly hefts the Leviathan 80-ton loads. This ultra-class machine empowers mining operations, enabling non-stop material processing. Its gargantuan scoop swallows entire dump trucks full of aggregate in one swift goal. The 2350's four-wheel power stance and torque-rich electric motors conquer harsh mine environments while minimizing ecological impact. When output meets overdrive, the L-2350 delivers 24/7, capable of moving small mountains before dispatching payload after payload into attached organic haulers. Its wheel groups distribute loads evenly. Joysticks enable smooth controllability. 9. Caterpillar 6090 FS Hydraulic Shovel. CAT strikes again, flexing its muscles in large-scale mining operations with its 6090 FS hydraulic shovel, the undisputed heavyweight earth mover champ. This behemoth's strength resides in its absurd 52 cubic meter, 68-yard shovel bucket that makes light work of up to 100 tons per scoop. Operators utilize the specialty front shovel configuration for precision extraction and placement compared to backhoe models. An enormous power plant churning out over 4 megawatts empowers the FS6090's world-beating capacity. The industry churns to the hydraulic hero when mega projects demand extreme displacement. Specialized sealing isolates hydraulic cylinders from debris. Automatic lube banks simplify maintenance. 10. NASA Crawler Transporter. At a 1 mile per hour top speed when loaded down with rocket-toting platforms, NASA's Stellar Crawler transporters still shakes the ground transporting to launch pads. Function reigns supreme over flair in these steel brutes built for space missions. Powered by squad 16-cylinder diesel engines, raw lugging strength resides within a design focused solely on safely and steadily inching multi-million-dollar spacecraft stacks to blast off while shrugging off stresses that would snap traditional transport. Since the days of mighty Saturn V rockets and continuing present, the crawler exemplifies robustness in a slow yet steady win-the-race torture test. Low gear ratios produce extreme traction torque. Laser receivers enable precise positioning. 11. SSCV Thialf crane vessel. The SSCV Thialf dominates offshore rigging. Its twin-boom configuration hoists drool-worthy loads. This Dutch megaship uses cranes with an insane combined capacity of 14,200 metric tons, equaling 15,000 average cars lifted simultaneously. Its semi-submergible hull works in shallow depths while boasting superior stability via extreme lengths and widths. From delicate deep-sea drilling to brute force platform removals, the Thialf brings calm reassurance. Its balanced bulk contains remarkable lifting capabilities for maritime missions. When winds roar and waves crash around massive floating steel, the steadfast SSCV Thialf powers on. Cutting-edge dynamic positioning keeps it on station in storms. The bright red paint enhances visibility for vessels navigating nearby. 12. Terex RH400 hydraulic shovel. The reigning monarch of hydraulic shovels comes from Terex, the RH400. This ultra-class heavyweight hulk tips scales at 1,200 brutish tons. Its ratio of brute force to speed keeps pace, shifting hundreds of loads daily. Piston power empowers the RH400 shovel to rip 100-ton mouthfuls per pass through stubborn layers with ease. Supreme build quality withstands violent strains and impacts inevitable when operations demand non-stop bites into unforgiving lands. This bucket wheel wonder chews through even tar sand pits, toughened by extreme viscosity. When mind-boggling capacity and volumes become a prerequisite, Terex's shovel master flexes undisputed domination, where bars along the bucket bottom to resist abrasion. Centralized lubrication simplifies maintenance requirements. Which one of these heavy machines amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Before wrapping up, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you like this video, you might also like this one.